Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be going over how to use Notion, a beginner's guide, so let's get started. Notion's power lies in its blocks and pages. Blocks are the building blocks of your content, from text to list and more. Starting is easy. Click the plus sign, creating a canvas for your ideas. To add text, type or paste, the interface fades to let your thoughts flow. Transforming your content is a snap. Use the 6-dot menu to change block types, add headings, bullets, or even to-do lists. It's that simple. Now, let's harness this knowledge to create a practical task list. In your private workspace, add a page using the plus sign. 3 columns await you: to do, doing, and done. With headings or markdown, make it your own. Add tasks, drag them to doing when in progress, and proudly move them to done when complete. The block handles magic lets you organize with a flick. And there you have it, a quick peek into the world of Notion's text formatting and task list creation. So, what are you waiting for? Explore, create, and transform your ideas effortlessly with Notion. Until next time, happy organizing. I hope this video helps you out. I'll see you in the next video.